Alright, I'm over here working on a door opener for somebody, and from over here we can see I had to replace this arm. The old one's outside, I'll show you it. There's the new one. Let me go get the other one. Be right back. Actually, I'll take it over here. There we go. Once again, good old, whatchamacallit. He's, I want to adjust the limits here. So what we're going to do is we're going to give this a little bit more upturn. Just a little bit. And we're going to give this one a little bit more or less closing. Hang on. A little less closing. Just like that, that's perfect. There we go. Alright, let's go test it. Older machine, probably early 2000s. Sorry, the phone's fuzzy, guys. There we go, better. It still needs to go up some more. Let me go and adjust it some more. We about got it. Alright. Flathead. Guys, and then we'll go ahead and give it another half a turn. You don't want the top of your door no more than the top of your header. So, let's go back to the wall and run it. I know what you guys are thinking. Why wouldn't you have the remote? Well, I think that's gonna, we'll give it, let's try to. A little bit more. We could back the close off a little bit more too. It's too. You don't want to put stress on that arm. You just need it where it closes. So we'll go ahead and put a little bit more turn on the open, like that, and we're gonna take a little less more off the close. Okay. Normally it would be easier with the remote, but they don't got it, so we're doing it this way. Alright, I'm not going to sit here and film every opening and closing for you guys, so. Alright, well, I got to sit here and monkey around with it a little bit, so we'll pause and I'll let you know how it goes. Alright, I'm back. That's the angle of the arm. I can't get to get any better than that, so that's the way it's going to sit. I got the bolts in it. I may just move him down one just to kind of help straighten it out, but that's it, guys. I'll give you one last run. Here's the opener. This is an older machine. This is like a 2008, 2009. It's when the house was built. So we'll give you one more up and down, and I'll show you the other bracket. We've had issues with this door, so it's trying to make sure it functions correctly. Worked good. And tell the customer, and we'll be all set. This door is in desperate need of some maintenance. I'll tell you that much. Alright, I'll show you the other bracket. Let's go see it. Sorry, guys. You know, anyone it knows a little bit more how something like this would get bent, let me know. So I don't know what happened. It was on that door in there. Bent. I mean, it was bent, so there it is, guys. You let me know how that got bent. So, alright. I'm out of here, guys. Once again, this here is the Garage Door Man 82. Have a good one. Over and out. Yeah, I know I'm getting bushes.